How to turn on memories feature in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on the Instagram memory features. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as archive. So simply tap on that. And now here, once you are inside the archive, at the top right corner, you can see the three dot icon. So simply tap on that. And here, once you tap on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on settings. And now here, on the new page, you can see the option labeled as Save Story to Archive. So simply turn on this option. And here, once this feature is enabled, Instagram will start saving your story and you will receive on this day memory notification in the future. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.